Are you looking to purchase your first investment property here in Abbotsford? If so, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top investing opportunities here in Abbotsford. Let's go. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Gary Dhindsa, where we talk Abbey condos and East Abbotsford real estate each week. In today's video, we're going to discuss the top investing opportunities in each property type. So we're going to start off by talking about the best investment opportunities for apartments, townhomes, and detached homes. So if you're someone that's looking to buy and add an investment condo to your portfolio, here are the type of condos you should be looking for. So if you're someone that's looking to add a one bed, one bath condo to your real estate portfolio, anything that's built between 2007 and newer, the purchase price of this one bed, one bath condo will be anywhere between $335,000 to $340,000. The square footage for this condo will range from 600 square feet to 630 square feet. The estimated market rent for your investment is anywhere between $1,600 to $1,700. This same condo last year in February and March was selling anywhere between $460,000 to $480,000. If you are looking for a newer unit that is built anywhere between 2020 to 2021, then you're looking at a purchase price between $400,000 to $420,000. The same condos last year at the Onyx at Ventura were selling anywhere between $480,000 to $500,000. The estimated market rent for these type of condos are $1,700. I personally love investing in one bedroom units just because your down payment is lower compared to a two bedroom unit, and there isn't much of a difference in market rent between a one bedroom and a two bedroom unit. The type of units you should be looking for are quality one bed, one bath units. Let's talk about the two bed, two bath condos here in Abbotsford. So you can buy a two bed, two bath condo here in Abbotsford built anywhere between 2007 to 2021 between the purchase price of $440,000 to $450,000. Yes, you heard that right. Between $440,000 to $450,000. The square footage of these condo ranges from 800 square feet to 900 square feet and above. These same condos last year in February and March were selling anywhere between $560,000 to $580,000. And you're probably wondering, Gary, all right, if these units were selling for $560,000 to $580,000 last year, why have prices come down? The reason why prices have come down is because of the higher interest rates. We've had 8 interest rate hikes here in the last 12 months alone. And it looks like with this recent one, the Bank of Canada is indicating that this could be the last rate hike. If you are looking to invest in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, the estimated market rent for these type of condos is anywhere between $1,800 to $1,900 per month. If you have a larger unit, let's just say around 1,000 square feet to 1,200 square feet, you can get more market rent. Let's move on to the townhome market. If you're looking for a quality 2-bed, 2-bath townhome that's built anywhere between 2008 and newer, you're looking at a purchase price between $575,000 to $620,000. In this higher price range of, let's just say $610,000 to $630,000, you're looking at buying a newer townhome that's anywhere between 0 to 8 years old. These same townhomes last year in February or March were selling around $700,000. The estimated market rent for these type of townhomes is anywhere between $2,300 to $2,400 per month. Now let's talk about those 3-bedroom, 3-bath townhomes. So these are townhomes, once again, that are built anywhere between 2010 to 2022. If you're looking for a newer townhome that is a year to 2 years old, then you're looking at a purchase price between $670,000 to $700,000. These same townhomes last year were selling close to $800,000 and above. If you're looking for a 3-bedroom unit that's anywhere between 8 to 10 years old, then you're looking at a purchase price of $610,000 to $630,000. The estimated market rent for these type of townhomes is anywhere between $2,500 to $2,800 per month. Now, let's talk about detached homes. There are good buying opportunities for detached homes here in Abbotsford. These same homes last year in Abbotsford around February, March were selling anywhere between $1.3 to $1.4 million. But if you're looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with an unfinished basement on a 7,000 square feet lot, the age of these homes is anywhere between 35 to 40 years old. You are looking at a purchase price of $850,000 to $900,000. If you want something with a finished suite or something with renovations, then you're looking at a higher price range between $950,000 to $1 million. These homes are located in Central Abbotsford and East Abbotsford. The square footage of these homes range from 1,800 to 2,300 square feet of living space. The estimated market rent for these type of homes, just to be on the conservative side, if you were to rent out the entire home, you're probably looking at a market rent of $3,000 to $3,500. If you're wanting to check how the rental market is for each property type, one of the best places to do so is Facebook Marketplace. In today's video, we discussed the buying opportunities in Abbotsford apartments, townhomes, and detached homes. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.